Hey everybody, it's Neil from WineExpedition.com. Friday night, giving you a quick peek into what I'm having to drink here at the house. And it's a bottle of 2007 Rita Floresta Sauvignon Blanc from Chile, on sale for $15.99. And Robert Parker gave it a 90. Wine and Spirits gave it a 91. And I'm having it with some homemade chicken and cheese enchiladas for my mother-in-law. And let's give it a shot. Enchiladas are good. Here's a Sauv Blanc. Citrusy notes on the nose. Wow. Nice grapefruit and a little bit of melon. And some minerals. Nice, sharp, tangy finish. And it works really well with the spices in the enchiladas. Kind of surrounds it and brings it in. So that's my Friday night wine. Hope you're having a good glass yourself. And thanks for watching. Take care.